Well, that rain reached Fort Wayne shortly after 11:30 last night.
And it came down so quickly, some area roads ended up underwater. Two vehicles were nearly submerged on South Anthony under the railroad tracks just north of Creighton. At one point, water there was almost hip height. Barricades are still up in that area. Another driver was stranded on Wayne Trace near Fletcher Avenue. New Haven Avenue near Meyer Road was another problem spot. The water has receded in both of those areas. Emergency responders did have to help some people from their vehicles, but there were no injuries reported.